there have been some very specific challenges during COVID around, availability of trucks and drivers' assistants and lockdowns, which required, a little bit more agility and a little bit more, change in process, which maybe would be hard to do in a manual environment. Would that be true?
Yeah, that's a very, very interesting that it was really exposed during the COVID. I think that at the end of the day, the warehouse still needs to be operating because that's where the goods are. The driver still needs to be driving the cars, but everything in the middle, where it's planning, dispatching, support, any other services that support those two sides, essentially work from home. And we have seen that our customers are able to defer the planning operations, for example, and to allow the planners to stay home and plan the logistic operations, where if you talk about manual processes, it was always they place the paper and then they somehow reshuffle until they come to the plan. When they go 100% digital, they can do it from everywhere. The second thing that we have seen is that also companies are able to reduce the number of planners. In the past, if you have 20 or 30 facilities across a country, even more, companies used to hire a local planner for each one of those facilities. And we are seeing now a consolidation where they're creating a centralized planning center that can plan for the entire country, for example. Still a local plan, but done centrally. Also, the use of automation in the planning allow them to reduce the planning time, and therefore one planner can cover much larger territory. So definitely a lot of changes and push to optimize and digitize the entire logistic distribution networks.